On April 25, 2015, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck central Nepal. Within minutes, over 8,000 people were killed, 500,000 homes destroyed, and millions of people displaced. The Church of the Nazarene in Nepal quickly organized to respond to the disaster. The response team began by visiting some of the hardest-hit communities in remote areas to assess their specific needs.
We are very much concerned for the people living in the dust, in the slums, in a miserable state. We are with the people, we work with them because our heart is there, we share the pain they have.
From this assessment, they decided to focus on 3 critical areas of immediate need: water filtration, temporary shelter, and food distribution. The church was able to build on existing relationships throughout the region and quickly mobilize local people to help coordinate relief efforts in their own communities. Beyond just meeting immediate needs, the goal of these churches is to walk alongside families and communities as they transition from relief to recovery.